Hi, Christy Johnson. I'm with Artemis, and I chose to invest in training because people are our most important asset. They're taking care of our clients each and every day. And I chose Aneta. I was really grateful to get to work with her at McKinsey, and she always stood out to me because she was so smart and so articulate and such a good leader. And so when I learned that she was running trainings and investing in folks, I wanted to bring that in. And there's a benefit to bringing in somebody outside because it's nice to have a different voice. It's good for people to get a different perspective, and then also to create the space, which she's brilliant at doing, for people to participate and truly engage. And then in terms of the impact that it is I'm hoping to get, we've invested 2 days to have everybody together at this beautiful location and really be inspired. And I'm hoping that they have greater capacity to solve really hard problems, to be strong critical thinkers, and that they have more leadership capacity as well as belief in themselves and their abilities.